Welcome back to Project Greenwood, where dust meets determination, and Josie's design vision is officially entering its main character era. We've painted, planned, and power drilled our way through this transformation, and in part 3, it's all about the finishing touches. The beauty room? She's getting her final glow up. The coffee bar? Styled and ready to fuel future empires. From fluffy pillows to oversized trees, from statement accessories to stylish room divider shelves, Josie's layering in all the details that take a space from almost there to absolutely flawless. It's functional, it's elevated, it's giving Black Wall Street legacy with modern luxury energy. Let's finish this space the way we started it, with heart, hustle, and a lot of style.
Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 or part 3 of my commercial property that I have been working on. This Project Greenwood, and it's not just a project, it's an experience, and there's so much legacy. If you aren't unfamiliar with Greenwood, Tulsa, I highly encourage you to look it up and research, and you'll understand how meaningful this project is to me and the owners. But let's get into it. Without further ado, let's see where we left off and how much things have changed. So that's the color. Not crazy about the color, honestly, if I'm being honest. So when it comes to this little console table area, the rug still needs to be pushed up against the wall under the furniture. And then the tree is looking kind of sparse, not my fave. And then we also need to finish the shelf styling here. And we're still waiting on a larger art piece to go above the table. And this is what the meeting area is looking like. So this is what the shelves are looking like. We're going to add risers at the bottom of the shelves so they'll be a little bit taller. But this is how we styled it so far. We'll be adding more, of course. And this is the studio area. Still in progress. Dressing room, we just had these hooks installed. So these are really cool because they swivel, and this is an example of using them. So this area is where people are going to change for their photo shoots. And so this mirror goes here, we're going to move over, and then we have the curtain rod. We're going to use a curtain instead of these. These are actually going to go in the bigger room as the partitions for the cubicles. And the other side of the room is coming together. We have the beauty stations, the lighting, the sconces were installed. We had to take the backing off this mirror, the film, and beautiful sconces, beautiful mirrors. And then we are going to put a large storage cabinet in the middle here. And so here's another angle. We have another full-size mirror here so people can look at themselves. And then the chair, and then these are the bar stools that are going here. The bar area really coming together. My client did wonderful styling. Just gave her a few pointers. Beautiful. I'm just waiting for some appliances to come in. And I love the countertop that we ended up going with. It's just this beautiful stone with the gold sink, of course, and the green cabinets. Vision is coming to life. And then the sitting area, the table. large art will be on this wall. This is the entrance. Okay guys, we found a commercial rug shop that was very close to the location of the property. So we are just looking here to see if we can find any deals on rugs, because as you know, the larger the rug, the more expensive. So we just came in here to see what we could find. They have tons of different carpets, but the cool thing is he said that he could cut any carpet down and make it into a rug. So we ended up choosing this one for the conference table area. We just wanted to see it laid out to get the full look of it, and so that's what he's doing. And then here we are installing it, and it's perfect. It just gives that neutral touch, and this is a great tip if you're trying to stay within a certain budget and you're not trying to spend a lot on rugs. Look into your local carpet stores.
All right, y'all, we are approximately 4 days away from the grand opening, and we are receiving our final piece of furniture for the co-working space that wasn't supposed to get here until May, so we're super excited about that. But we made a few stops to pick up last minute essentials, smell goods, and so we're about to get all of that unloaded.
I know the hate you feel, the scar tissue, unhealed trauma is trying to kill you. But come back to love, man, we all miss you. Hey, life is like a seesaw, it's up, then it's down. It's all about
All right, we are unboxing everything and getting it situated. And I am also going to refresh the bar with some of the snacks. We got sugar, we got coffee syrup, got the coffee maker, the kettle pot for the tea, and I did get some tea bags too. So let's get into it. All right, so I decided I'm gonna do a really quick haul on some of the things that we picked up. So we got this tea kettle pot. We got a coffee maker that you can put the coffee beans at the top, which is perfect because we're going to be having a house coffee brand here, Ezra Coffee, because they have Tulsa edition. We got a microwave. Y'all can't see it, but everything matches. Fruit snacks, because my husband can't run an errand without getting snacks. These are the tea bags that I got just because I wanted them to be like little small bags, but we'll probably end up using a different tea brand, not sure. This is for the house. I got some pistachio nut butter, and I went ahead and grabbed it because last time we went to Walmart it was sold out. We have 2 flavors of coffee syrup, and I just went with simple flavors, vanilla and salted caramel. Let me know what y'all favorite coffee syrup is because I don't drink coffee. And then the snacks that we have on our bar, the Tate's mini cookies. They are both aesthetically pleasing and really, really good. I'm also on the hunt for the Partake mini cookie bags. I did not see them in Target or Walmart today. And then we have some sugar that's gonna go in one of the jars up top for people who like coffee in their sugar. Let's see. We also got a printer and some ink, which is already out there. We went to Bath and Body Works, and we wanted to get one single scent for the whole space that wasn't like too overpowering or too much, and so we landed on champagne toast, and this is why the scent can't be too much. So we have some champagne toast wallflowers, I think that's what they're called, and then we went with these plugs to match the space. They're so cute and simple and gold. We got some champagne toast room sprays for the bathroom, and then we also got a refill of the champagne toast soap because 2 of our bathrooms already have a dispenser in them that came with the space that we might change out, but yeah, we just went with the refillable, and we got another one. So I think that is it for today, and Y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna get everything situated, opened up, and put out. Some packages from Amazon, so I'm about to open the back gate so they can get in, because he said we have quite a few, so let's see. Hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you the final reveal, and it's going to be amazing. So stay tuned, and until next time, God bless.